Hi, this is Brad Young at MarineMax Panama City Beach. Today we're standing beside the Grady-White Fisherman 257. As you'll notice, the color is Coastal Fog Blue, and it has matching color underneath the T-tops. Come look at the front of this boat. This boat has the Cv2 Hall, which is designed with the variable degrees from the front all the way to the back. It starts around 60 to 55 degrees and it gets down to 20, and the 20 degrees in the back makes the boat run so much better on plane at lower speeds. And here we're standing at the rear of the boat, and as you can see, we have twin 200 Yamaha motors. These motors are bulletproof. They will last you a lifetime as long as you take proper care of them and change the oil. So let's go aboard and show you what features this boat has. So here we are in the fishing cockpit of this fishing vessel, and as you will notice, we have a very large fish box slash cooler that you can put your drinks in if you want to. Then we have the live well that they have painted blue so that your fish or bait fish are more relaxed during travel. Here we have tackle storage, which is hard to find in most boats, but Grady-White incorporates that into their boats, and extra storage for your bags. And as you will notice here, all Grady-Whites have a tow rail that you can use while you're fishing and pulling up a fish to keep you steady and keep you inside the boat. This boat comes equipped with 8 rocket launchers, 4 here on the leaning post and 4 on the T-top. It also has 2 rod holders on each side of the starboard and port, and then there's 3 starboard and port places to store your rods, so you have a total of 18 places to keep your fishing rods. Moving forward, as you'll see that these captain seats have bolsters of which can move up so that you can use it as a leaning post, or you can pull it down for more comfortable seating. We have a steering wheel that is adjustable in several positions with a knob. We have digital throttles, which helps for ease of shifting into gear. Plenty of real estate for your electronics that you choose, and storage up top for your wallets and other things while you're traveling. This also has a full enclosure windshield with a windshield wiper. And moving over, we have a full head, which you can actually use as a changing room also. Moving forward, we have 2 120 quart fish boxes or drink boxes. All of them are gas assisted struts. This side we will have set up for fishing where you can stand on it and fish. This side you can just sit back and lounge. And finally, at the front, we do have a windlass anchor, which is great if you're going to the island. You can just push a button and the anchor drops, and then you're there. If you have any questions, please call me. I am Captain Brad Young, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Phone number is 850-420-1802. Thank you.